Welcome back, everyone. Today, Nifty has fallen 1.77%, and from past 5 days, it has fallen like 2.59%. Why? Because the coronavirus cases are increasing in India, so government has giving some restriction and guidelines for the people of India. So economic slowdown may impact the economy of the India. So Indian government has taken some measures for international traveler. That's why, as you can see, a lot of news about these things, and government regulations and guidelines for international travelers. So market has been falling down from couple of days. So now we before going to that, I want to give a quick review of my portfolio, which is this is my portfolio which I am dollar cost averaging every week by week. So as you can see, here is my portfolio, and it has value of like I have an investment of 68,000 rupees, and now I have been down like 1k in this portfolio. And so I have a lot of stocks, as you can see, like 14 stocks, 11 stocks I have, and 3 ETFs. uh, Now I'm going to see my insights, how my allocation has been done, my amount, how it is divided. Like as you can see, 90 approximately 93% in large caps, and 5% in mid caps, and only 2.25% in small caps. While coming to sector wise, as you can see, FMCG contributes 35%, and paints 19%, chemicals 16%, diamond jewelry 16%, so ITI software, that is 9%, and restaurants 4.76%, entertainment 2.25%. FMCG constitute like 34%. FMCG companies which I hold in my portfolio are like our own beverages. This is a very much good company. It manufacture Pepsi. It holds brand, all of the brands of the Pepsi, like Pepsi and Lay's, etc, etc. And then another FMCG companies which I have in my portfolio is Hindustan Unilever, which is an also an FMCG company, and have like uh, 10k in this company, and Varun Beverages at 11.7k. So you can see that I'm now recently down like 6% in Varun Beverages. That's not a problem. As you can see, my total gain from Varun is after downing 6% yesterday. Now today I have like 9.31% gains in that one stock only. So it's quite interesting to say that thing. And from actual also I'm up like 2.11%. So next thing, while coming to paints, Asian Paints is doing quite very well, and I also added one stock like 25th of December at a price of 30452. So it has also doing quite a bit holding. It is not going down below like 3030. Okay, so next stock which has a chemicals, that is Pidilite Industries. Pidilite, it has been doing very poorly in my portfolio recently from past 1 week, and I'm down like 7%, 700 rupees down in this one only on stock. And Asian Paints also like approximately 600 rupees. So now coming to diamond jewelry stock holding, how much I hold in, that is Titan company. Yeah, Titan company, it is very good company which has a lot of moat in India. And this is the only stock yesterday when all the market was down like 1%, 1.5%, 2%. This is the only stock which I saw in my portfolio which is holding. Now let me see how it has done in past 6 months. Very well, good. And 1 year also good. So 5 year also, as you can see, like in the during the COVID crash also, it has just fallen only 35%. Here 25, I think. Yes, 25% is fallen. Now it's good to see that the stock is holding little bit, so nor else if my portfolio has been given even lesser return. And IT software companies such as TCS, Infosys and HCL Technologies, which I own only one share in that company. So as it falls more, the IT companies I will buy it more. And restaurants I have like this one, Jubilant Foodworks, and this is like fallen very much. So it has fallen very much, like from the beginning of the day I bought, like I am now currently down 11.40%, that is for approximately around 400 rupees down in this only stock, which I hold only 6 shares in that. And for last thing, that is entertainment industries, which I own is like Sun TV, and I own 6 shares, and it also has been down from last day only. Is it has been not doing very well. So now coming to this, I want to tell you one thing, like this one, why I hold less quantity of mid cap and small cap, because like times like this, you can see, uh, yeah, Nifty index is a large cap index, which consists of 50 stocks, which are like large cap stocks. So it has given fallen like 1.7% in one day, but when comparing to this S&P 500 basis, small cap, it has fallen like 4.1%. It has went even up to this 4.5% also. So it is quite uh, difficult, and and it is more volatile index. So I will be keeping out of my stocks from them small caps and mid caps. So that's why in there is one or two like good stocks which I found, I will be holding them, but that too little bit of value my portfolio. And mid cap also I hold mid cap one stock, that is Sun TV. Sun TV is in mid cap stocks which I hold in my portfolio. So this is about my portfolio. And regarding the ETFs, uh, NYC Fung ETF has been doing poorly, because like Nasdaq industry has been down like 30%, so that's why. And Hang Seng Tech ETF, it is doing not a bad, like it has given 15% return. And another thing, gold ETFs is doing very well in my portfolio. And very quite interesting thing, that is the silver ETFs. Last week when I say that it was like 90% up, now it is like 24% up. I made like 120 rupees in this silver ETF in the, only I have invested only 500 rupees. Now it is 6 to 1 rupees about this silver ETF. Then okay, for while coming to allocation wise, here you can see how much allocation I have given to this investment value uh, for each of the stocks. Asian Paint, one second. Asian Paint, my allocation is investment is 18.97%, but now it is down to value allocation to 18.25. HCL 1.5%, and HUL 15%, and silver ETF 1%, less than 1%. Infosys 2%, Jubilant Foodwork 4.5%, and Fung ETF 1.5%, Hang Seng 1 less around 1%, and Pidilite 15%, and SBI Gold ETF 0.3%, and Sun TV 2%, and TCS 5%, and Titan 15%, Varun Beverages 17.5%. So that's how my portfolio is doing on. And I want to show you my goals of my portfolio, which are like would like to beat my Nifty 50 index consistently year over year. So now we will compare with my portfolio with the Nifty 50 index. Now you can see my portfolio nifty 50 is down from last 1 month, but my portfolio has been doing not bad, but it's doing very well. You can see when compared to 50 now, past one day I'm down like 1.2%, nifty 50 1.7%. From past 5 days I've been doing very well, and from past 1 month also I'm doing very well. So I think it's good, and when compared to 6 months I'm down like significant amount. That like I need to compare it from August 11, but I can't do that one. From past 6 months I can compare. So when I compare to this thing from August 11 to December 23, my portfolio is down like 2% against Nifty 50 index. That's I can see. So that's about my portfolio review. And while coming to the guidelines from COVID guidelines, why markets are falling, and here you can see that Minister of Health and Family Welfare of Government of India has given some guidelines on 22nd December. So it's basically this guideline is protected only to these international travels, as well as point at the entry of airports, seaport, land borders, valid from 24th December 10th hour. Today from 10 a.m. It starts, and planning for traveling for during travel on arrival, what are the things they will do. They will all the guidelines and wear the mask and safety condition you see everyone. They also told like randomly they will check some people at the airport, and if they got any one of them got an COVID symptoms or infected with COVID, so they are telling like a whole the people in that airplane or plane, they will make quarantine for them or treat them. So such an guidelines are the government has given. So it will also, if do they, I don't think it's like, so they will do major lockdowns like months together, some new variant. So it's like I would like to say you, when initially when COVID came, we don't know anything, so we felt like 35% index fell. So after that it went up gradually. So that's why I'm not stopping to invest. So I'm not feared of invest. Anyways, it will go down. And the second wave of coronavirus came in India at this time, and the market fell like 6, 7, 8%. So that's also not. After that also you can see that markets have given a quite pretty well return, like 25% from that point to here today now. So I'm not afraid of this investing. And you can also see that this coronavirus COVID fear will be 1 or 2 days only. After that markets will once again start running up. Now Nifty is on 17,800, and it will go up. So cases will be coming more and more, and China also can see COVID cases are going up. So as usual not gradually cases from China has been affected to India somehow, like that things will happen. So government can't do anything, because like now also Indian government and international governments and economies can't do, because like people already have been fed of this COVID, and they won't seriously follow these rules and regulation. And we cannot also force government can't also force the people to stay inside the home, and they also need money to spend everything on the other things. So they won't worry about the COVID now, and let's see how these things will go in future. So I'm not stopping to invest or whatever. I will be doing like dollar cost averaging week by week. So that's my things, what all things I have been doing now and I will be doing in future. So So good to give an update of my portfolio today. So thank you for watching.